My name is Mami Atichwa Anamon from Galaxy Technology Foundation. I'm here to make a presentation on the topic drone technology. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is an aircraft without any human pilot, crew or passengers on board. The flight of drones can be done either manually by using a remote control or can be done automatically using pre-programmed instructions, mostly known as autopilot, and require no human intervention. The earliest recorded use of an unmanned aerial vehicle for warfighting occurred in July 1849. Drones were originally developed through the 20th century for military missions, which were too dull, dirty or dangerous for humans themselves to partake in. They were used for anti-aircraft targets practice, gathering of information from other military bases, and ultimately as weapons of destruction. Although drones were created with the military in mind, they are now also used in a lot of civilian roles. Drones have multiple uses ranging from aerial photography, product deliveries, agriculture, policing and surveillance, infrastructure inspections, science, drone racing, and many others. Drones are equipped with different state-of-the-art technology such as infrared cameras, GPS, and laser. Due to the presence of the camera on the drone, it can be used effectively for disaster relief. In a scenario where a natural disaster, such as a flood or earthquake, has occurred, the drones can be used to scout both the accessible and inaccessible areas in order to determine the presence of any unrescued victims. Drones can also be used for taking surveys. In conclusion, although drones were created for military purposes, we can see that they've gone a long way to help the world as a whole. Thank you. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe on all our social media platforms.